smart repairs just has to be the way forward. The automobile repair business is changing, and changing fast. This is your chance to be in right at the beginning. The weather or local conditions will no longer determine when or where you can work. Carcoon's new workstation is fully portable, weighing in at less than 40 kilograms. It provides a working environment for the really smart repairer. We all agree that reducing adverse effects on the environment is vital. But of course, earning a living is right at the top of the list for most people. Now, the new workstation from Carcoon brings together these two essentials: profitable refinishing that's environmentally friendly. Carcoon are patented airflow innovators. Where we lead, others follow. So why not join this winning team and start earning now? The Carcoon workstation is made using the finest lightweight materials, including UV stabilized glass clear PVC with heavy-duty base mats and alloy coated chamber panels. Electrics are CE approved and suitable for indoor or outdoor use. Step inside the new world of high-quality mobile vehicle repair and refinishing. With its airlock access filtered air supply, together with exhaust and solvent reduction filters, protection of the environment is given top priority. With the Carcoon workstation, mobile vehicle repairers will no longer be the industry's poor relation. The Carcoon workstation provides a well-ventilated, clean, dry workspace filled with ambient light. This space is ideal for the professional mobile repairer, where the highest standards of workmanship can be achieved. Carcoon's new patented workstation makes life easier and gives the mobile repairer the opportunity to considerably increase potential earnings, whilst at the same time helping to comply with the ever-increasing burden of legislation. Remember, you have a duty to protect the environment. In fact, it's now a legal requirement. In fact, without the burden of all those fixed cost overheads, we predict that the mobile repairer will soon represent the quality standard. Lower cost, high quality repairs will effectively lift potential earnings far in excess of the industry standard.
Just let me...
Impress your clients with a real professional approach and achieve high quality repairs first time, every time. With this workstation, Carcoon has just put smart repairers on the move. A generous 65 cubic meters of well-ventilated, clean working space filled with ambient light. The Carcoon workstation.